Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this lovely matte black door handle. It would be great for an entry door. Why is it great? Because it is adjustable. What I mean by that, I will show you here in a second. But what comes in the box is an instruction guide that shows you all the parts and how to install it. It also comes with a template, which you can line up to then go ahead and pre-drill holes if you need to actually make the holes in your door. Now in our particular case, I'm going to be replacing an old set that we had, but one of the reasons why it's nice to have an adjustable set if you bought it, this piece here, when it goes onto a door, this bottom piece here is adjustable up or down. And that's important because when you go to install this in here like this part down here needs to be able to line up with a pre-drilled hole, and you can easily do that right like that, which will allow that to sit in there. It'll vary within about an inch or so that you can adjust that. In the box, it also comes with a catch and strike plate for where the deadbolt goes into and where your latch is going to connect into the door jamb. These are not white, they actually just have a nice protective film on the outside just to protect that nice matte black finish there on the inside, so we'll peel those off at the end. Also in the box, it comes with a bag that has all the various sized hardware that you're going to need to install all these pieces. This is the deadbolt that's going to go into the door. It's nice that it is adjustable, so you can twist it and pull it, and it goes from 2 3/4 to 2 3/8, so you can make it a deeper recessed lock if you need to, just by twisting and locking that into place. So that is also adjustable there, which is nice. So your actual lock is going to come with, looks like 3 keys to allow that to turn in there, and we can remove those like that. And it's got a little protective covering on this guy here too. Everything's nicely protected and extremely well packaged, as you can see in there, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and insert that into here like that. I'm going to go ahead and get this piece fitted onto here with this backer lock piece on the back. And now we just need to put the bolts in and we'll be ready to go. That was a really easy install. It's very fluid motion in the lock, so it seems very solid, very nice. We're going to do kind of a repeat process using this piece here. Again, sliding it in, getting that in place, and then we're going to go ahead and put the provided hardware in to secure that. Next, we're going to take our adjustable handle here, line up this hole down here, and then this top square will feed through this other square in the back. Here, I'll show you on the back side. Like that. One feature that I really like is because this hole in the back is obviously a hole, you can actually feed one of these through this metal ring, and it's threaded. And then you're going to put it on there, and we're going to screw that in place. And then once that's screwed in, it actually comes with this nice decorative little finial cap that's going to screw over the end of that, which is going to provide a nice finished look on the bottom. Last piece we've got here is this handle, so this square lines up with that one there. Pretty self-explanatory. And then we're going to go ahead and put the provided screws into the holes and tighten them down. Having the adjustable piece of this made this really easy to install. Lever, very comfortable, very fluid motion. Go close, lock, unlock. I can see how this handle would come in really handy for people that have difficulty grabbing a circular knob. Being able to push down on that would be nice, as is the entry latch, just being able to push and pull on that. Seems like a very nice finish and should provide many years of great service.